All right, guys, so my buddy just got a Softopper for his Tacoma. We're gonna set it up and see what it looks like here. So all the pieces are laid out, and we're just taking off a little bit of extra packaging.
Here's the instructions, but come on, guys, no one reads those. Yeah.
Came across a little dilemma here. So according to the instructions,
I don't even know if it's a dilemma yet.
So according to the instructions, for a long bed Tacoma, we're supposed to have 6 clamps, and it only came with 4. So basically, we're not too sure if this is gonna fit right now.
We'll end up doing an uh-oh counter for the length of this video to see how many problems we run into.
It's gonna be a lot.
Hopefully not.
Okay, so the Softopper's all installed on the Tacoma. Looks beautiful. Ready to take this out for some camping now. Hope this video is a little bit of help to you guys. It was a quick install. Catch you on the next one.